who travels all around the nation, telling young people to be a dream maker, not a dream breaker. Omegaman performs the world's greatest show of power, strength, speed, inspiration, and motivation. Power is a superhero who can bend steel in his teeth. He can rip a 400-page book in half with his bare hands. He can break a baseball bat over his leg. And he is here with us today. Are you ready to meet him? Put your hands together and welcome the one and only Omegaman.
Yes way. How's everyone doing today? All right, couple questions. Who's ever heard of Superman? Who's ever heard of Batman? Wonder Woman? Iron Man? Black Panther? Captain America? The Hulk? Ant-Man? How about my friend Marshmallow Man? You've heard of Marshmallow Man? Oh, okay. Now you've heard about Omegaman. Everyone say, hi, Omegaman. I'm a superhero. I travel all across the universe. I tell boys and girls every day to be a dream maker. Everyone say dream maker. But never follow my arch enemies, the dream breakers. Everyone, say this after me. I'm a dream maker. Making good choices every day of my life. You too can be a hero. What? Omegaman, I can be a superhero just like you. You can, but you have to make good what? One day or every day? One time or all the time? All right, well, let me ask you a question. How do you spell hero? H-E-R-O. But hero means this. Everyone say this after me. Helping. Everyone. Respect. Others. To be a hero every day, you don't have to wear a costume. You don't have to wear a costume. You can be a hero every day. How? By helping your friends here at school, helping your teachers out in the classroom, helping mom and dad around the house. Be a good student, be a good citizen. But also, right here, R-O, respect others. That means be nice and kind to each other. Now, punching someone, kicking someone, smacking someone, is that nice? Making fun of someone, teasing, name calling, even though sometimes you're joking around. Is that nice? So let's always make good what? We'll talk about that in just a few minutes. We are going to have a good time for the next 2 hours. I'm joking, teachers.